McBrown's kitchen. Again, McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's kitchen ebusiafo ediane pa ede mumu empress mo her excellency esedi bako a me sre mo fanka me hono no her excellency ane empress me di dwumadie papa e na ebrew ya to ne di se McBrown's kitchen said de munim no ene so ye hie sei no me pa chow me di aduane pa ebrew me ni me nua me dofo bako wo bon homode adwuma wo yemu ane ne ho efe ene mame na abo afase ne fan hye so quick high sense or say everyday prices for everyday people hey TV near freezer yeah display awake purified drinking water any royal drinks any puma drinks no one who say empress me a guy kasa preko se men kan tro say but to be abeto bia no oyi bi e de boa cardio center ewo kolebu enu to koso aneto awake ebusia launcher kitchen na asesa mi jadi amana ye kamen launcher de ubo mu promo be joso hihwe mu Facebook and Instagram ubenya wo mo me de wo mu ase na me pa cho me toast ni nie tasty tom and rich tomato mix strength comes from within also then more of fiber, more of vitamins. Would dear winya wodin bebre. I was saying delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. We share no say if you are born homodin, ane what dear duane pa e brain and nothing on McBrown's kitchen so ebode ray. Miss Row and why ye dear yes asra na air number 1 olive and one Borges. But no olive oil dia bebre o market ba ukona so papa no dia katom so muma Borges olive oil Borges here damwase me pa cho royal aroma fortified rice the only fortified rice in Ghana more vitamin B3 B6 B9 B12 iron zinc ayemuma trata the one and only and only the only fortified rice in Ghana. In the free na krani abusua no bibia mo de mo bia ebeye yebia aduane bia mon kai se na nama yen support na nama yen support ye kra ye nipadua ya ho odin na yen di mo pa royal aroma fortified rice me free royal aroma fortified rice so ameba royal kitchenware we Instagram as royal kitchenware official Ghana and chensiam de no aduane a e ma aduane ne akono ne ho tie de me pa cho eye royal for me do mo asepa McBrown's kitchen de wunim say fan milk e kama boafo ho enu ntima me na fan milk for ase Mr. say fan milk bia obeto bia no hu say wo treat ho double because I hope strawberry abenya ope chocolate abenya ni nyina in one pack the same price sa na ope vanilla any chocolate abenya enu nti no ye bedidi anase ye didi wia ye de be bosso sweet after meals family Ghana edam wase bedidi na na McBrown enne mata ade e hyame ma mentwa me homra me ba meda de opam ye ene manim ni manim de onim dada ane me ba sesia empress say brim etwa me ho aba Opia per high-sense AC, Tresse, they will gold-plated things. Ye the copper pipes pa pebi na ye. Gasia, for or how biam rodas and ibia, enegu. Enye dede, tanso of 4-in-1 filter system. 80 from a free mubano. Eye kroji. AC, ye the horsepower neto. High-sense kase eye 2.5 eye 2.5. Kululu bianim. Ye the abebiemo. Eye high-sense AC super promo. Date near 26 July. Akobim 8 August 2021. Upe Asia F. Na eche, na chili, na entry power. Eye high sense AC. Comfort to yemi. 26 July. Akobim 8 August. Madam High Sense. Matiti Suze. 5 years warranty. Eda Sutia. High Sense and Kwane to me yasama. So when you say High Sense there, everyday prices for everyday people.
351-251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen.
McBrown's Kitchen ebusiafo. Ediane pa ede. Ena so Empress. Me ne me dofo baako ewa adwuma yi mu. Wonim no. Waye madwuma ye bia. Me ba cho ye be bonko mabra ye no aduane. But ansa na no won say maba begina ha. Eye posing kakantina de me ba ha o. Aku aja sam. Aku won say ma sha atade no. E fatame. Ghana fo nhwehwe no e wo Instagram. So simple. Aku na me shraw. DJ Bomenyum na me fa intro me dofo. Years ago me shia no. And I'm kind of some DJ, but I say, young fan DJ, Cookie! Hey, Anna. Cookie!
Thank you.
Let's go. So do you wait? Oh, I never jealous me, cause you love me alone and only you.
When you to see me, oh.
And I don't understand.
Oh my days.
And I understand God's
Penas and pap.
Cookie tea, ne who I fan casa cookie mam 360. So say cry 360 of my grand kitchen. I said I'm 360.
Oh,
who are you wearing?
Myself. I'm wearing myself.
Cookie, come close. Wow, years ago, me share sister. Na ye nyina raba bia ekoto ade. And my sister mpacho me pe wadan for. When me fe pa, ot eh, me so me pe wadan for na me say hwe. E kire say de wo ye bi obi hwe.
Right.
And she has come this far. So yeah, Juma ever one of the biggest TV stations in Ghana, TV3. Na no TV3. Come on, TV. Chair TV so. Chair to say the way Juma na.
Mpacho,
in English. Hey,
oh,
in English.
You want me to speak English?
Yes.
All right, so this is the McBrown's show, right here. So I TV3, I remember.
Hey, for me too, UTV. On UTV, and you see me on TV3.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so hi everybody, this is Cookie, co-host of TV3 New Day, every weekday, Monday to Friday, 6 to 10 a.m. But today, right now, I am on McBrown's show right here on UTV.
Because I'm in Saba, they no because me too. TV3 for some person we you are crime court now so me say maybe 50% tree 50% English. Maybe one my brother no. Yeah, we near Sadaka them say you there. We give you 100% English. Take it to the world. Ebim come brother me the cookie one on brother there.
Thank you. Thank you.
Me say me the local say the original one now. What themselves say local girls.
Papa, oh, what is that?
Now, me can't say I'm watching you from afar. I didn't
know that you knew that part about me.
I'm watching
you
from
Many people
afar.
think I'm just some prim, proper girl.
Bro, for now, We are not to mama.
Pacho you baby.
Where we?
Pacho right.
So dear near. Bro, for dear no doubt. But so ban on now, ladies and gentlemen, you have one of the local girls
Very
in
local.
town.
Very, very local. Very, extremely local.
Edina so can cookie tea.
No. But when you say me local name man kasa different me fair fatty.
Fatty.
Pacho right.
Into cookie tea. And Crawford.
Okay.
So been him a fine, but some trust a year crowd don't name himself. We are not now.
A lot of people don't know. Me free stream.
Yeah. I like that. See, me free stream. A stream no canon.
Me free stream.
But so trust.
Oh.
So guys are bluffing the other man. A stream to them do yamu do chin kwan ko how bois. Ubejina baby ache. And then McBrown's kitchen you be did.
You're being very simple. I have a very busy schedule. Unim dada.
Missy Wilfred, you mem never you.
I have a very busy schedule, especially during the weekdays. I don't bother myself too much with a lot of cooking. Ghana Adriani, I think say you're not processing it too much. Yes, and it takes a lot of time. I don't unfortunately have the time for that during the week. But weekends there, yes, okay, and all that. But during the week, it has to be really fast. And it has to be extremely healthy because I'm a health freak, but and yet they be an
I am a chin and nurse, now they minimum.
Okay. Apomudin freak.
Yeah, health freak. Just say my need gym apomudin.
My pomudin who hear me pa. Exactly. Basa. But and yet they be an air me to me kwa gym exercise.
Okay, into the
exactly.
My whole vegetables. Yeah. And I'll say and
then seafood you were prawns, you were octopus, say you were nkosia so you were skimmed milk, we have green peas, and ebro sweet corn, you will be and then we have parsley as well. And then emo but and then your fried rice no you fat emo bebre because you're what you eat. Yes. So me try say I consume a whole lot of vegetables
and less carb.
Exactly.
But you are eating fortified rice.
Exactly, it's been fortified, so 100%. That's good for today's meal.
Intinyanko.
That's right.
And you chicha na nyama na see.
You bet you try vegetables, no. That's what I'm going to start with.
Start.
But I was saying no more answer.
No more.
I was saying no more answer.
And morning they met me bibia more.
Okay.
Bibia why bia it's clean. Bibia
why nina.
I am a come.
Okay.
Intina we say for ya more. And the moon adding.
Exactly. Oh, yes, starting with cane is okay. Yeah, cane is first. Right. Okay, so
wow.
Me babe chucha. Normally, uncle for your fried rice, I want to try vegetables, kitty. But we treat vegetables, you overcook it, so you don't get all the nutrients in it.
Who need TV through? Who are you TV you want?
Rewind the track. Rewind.
Back.
And see, and then a more fried rice no. You try your vegetables kitty.
Exactly.
You try na kesi. And a bear crunchy. Crunchy them in the tree in the mention.
No, they don't mean no. But much in the doors and can be English. I translate.
Exactly.
In the country, it's about the debate grow.
Because grow no and no na retain nutrients no. But you try na kitty na.
Nutrients a chance and create DB.
Exactly. And you know, you bet you try no akese kakra ye nya na kitty.
Patro you.
Send a ahwande ne bekoy your body.
Fatima.
Patro me try no.
Open for me. Fatima for whom say. Net no sharp in the bra.
Oh, this way?
This way.
Okay.
Go.
Right. Okay.
Me di patro me de mono si so amano.
Patro you.
Was on so channel. Wow, to salt no.
I'm saying before they put it, you should have measure salt too.
Oh, Debbie.
What do you go when I say ancestors? They catch you say you okay, and I say you okay.
Patty.
Yes, ma.
And come deep name the pie
Adiza, that's my auntie's name. Me auntie no. Your friend me auntie Adiza. Yeah.
Name it de into no from Adiza. We share me from Adiza.
Why? Because I say I'm from Her Excellency.
I'm my fans in California now. Okay, Her Excellency Adiza. Bear me de. Name it de papa.
Right.
Aye. Into but also oil so kakra.
That's why.
Cookie basically when you way.
Funny question.
Okay, so Mr. Tinyi, yeah, because it's funny. Obi shouldn't be beside me that. Okay, it's fine. Thank you. So Mr. Tinyi, ewo boko. Eho na me papa free. So yes, Tinyi ewo, but after a little bit, we moved to the Volta region. Ye frere ekrobi so KJB. Yes. Yeah, ye frere ekrobi so KJB. And that was where my grandmother was. So we joined my grandmother ewo honum because na me mama no too kind pa. She was the breadwinner of the family. Okay. And every time bia no not only her exactly. So it was my grandmother and so we started growing up from KJB. Then, unfortunately, my grandmother lost one of her daughters. That's my auntie. But all losing away and the neck on exactly. Yeah, ba hohoe. Oh, metepa. I bet you metepa. Unfortunately, unfortunately, I don't know the Ayira Kakra. Not the Ayira Kakra.
That's me and you. Why you not
Ayura, unfortunately, I know Ayura Kakra.
Man can't
no, because ye free honum no, not ye ne. No, ye free north no. Not mene ye ne papa ebusiano. Not we were not really in touch. We were not talking and all that. Exactly, and no, it take you over.
Yeah, really.
Me patron.
I was saying fried rice with seafood and egg. More vegetables.
Yes, more vegetables.
More vegetables. I like the style of her cooking.
More vegetables.
We are too neat. From afar, your hair, the way you talk.
Thank you.
Your appearances.
Thank you.
Your job. Me brofo na base.
Excellent.
Thank you.
I'm
not lying.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell me, Michelle, when I knew say minimum.
I had no idea.
Started TV.
No. It's Michelle. I will say. Me power say me. Oh, me myself. I'm saying, no, mommy won't me and honestly, a honor me who said, okay,
you should take advantage.
And they may not necessarily come and comment on your photos on Instagram or say anything even to you when they meet you.
Followers on Instagram.
What's your say?
Yes, what in the likes 40,000. Okay, into 1.1. 4.1 but they are watchwatching from afar.
They are. They
from
sure
maybe
are.
Your shows I don't know, say Kawitiminya be 100 and something comments.
Exactly.
Because you almost
it has to be a whole lot more than that, yeah.
Yes.
It has to be.
Cookie tea.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, more Diane.
And see, me the green pepper sauce kakra babe box it fried rice na and anything that me babe blend it green pepper. So that's green pepper, ginger, garlic, and I'm about to add some onions real quick. Okay. This is very simple. It shouldn't take. Me patron. Mami fansha ko dem ha.
Faunsu ya.
Me fa. Na se duane nyam gona medi.
Na se be ko jaso. Cookie me and you with TV so the real thing is this is how we do it.
Exactly. At home that's what we do.
Oh yeah.
But mami fa Jenny in count. Can I add the Jenny?
Yeah, add the Jenny.
But I think I have to add 2 bowls of Jenny.
And also you beer by yeah. Cooking tea, school, what's it?
Yeah, I started school. It's free KJB na ye ba hohoe. So that's why I actually started school. Your first school be hohoe something early. Meng Sheran Kai Sisia.
The patron Mary.
That's fine. Great, thank you.
In you try nice. Be no be separate. Oh, baby.
Me steam me octopus no kakure. So yeah.
Yeah, be steam me octopus kakure.
Yes, please.
I have a chance in Montino. Be time be a fire any cron. Me ba chome de siswa ma.
Me ba be hwe gumu sisi a.
Hey, cookie, what's any de no akono.
Me just say.
What per life do?
Too much. I'm saying no minya o ma me ho. That's how my mother is. So
now our hairstyle be your kwan. Minim I now the iron rod swing. Spring been a run the dap run. Who one am?
Okay, so
it was your brand. I'm telling you today, it's anonymous.
This is funny. So there was a time between 2012 and 2015 because in America. And I was supposed to go to school. But na school never send me go school. Never send me go school. But na school started. And see, na me ofie and na me wonder, okay, so what can I do with my time? And see, when I started echo YouTube. Na me see how to do makeup, how to do hair and everything. And then when I came back to Ghana, ya mencha de me share Madame Fubia now I started it every China eba. Okay. So I catch me say, oh, the way I went fanny, the way I
Mami man even said.
No, he even said, Tom mommy, me or not a bema. And so me ni who she but my say sika o mu pa. So ubet me aboma ma ton a bema de. Exactly. Ntina me ton ni. So ade a me ton de e was say me
o jai na o she ni.
E was say me she e ma hu se na nwi ne tie. So that was my line of selling.
Central. Go back to that hairstyle. Prophesy to you, sir. Go back to that hairstyle. If you don't go back to that hairstyle, and you be a piano,
and you it
will not be your style. That hairstyle was your style. But when is it?
Oh, yeah. In Simpatro, I need water in there.
Oh, so yeah.
It means you need. Yeah.
I will get a nomination. Okay.
Okay. So there you go.
That's right.
Yeah. But the spice kakra ebeguso.
Wow.
I had to give it some good taste. Make me the meko kakra so.
No kusam.
Yes.
No kakra guso. Yeah.
Just to give it some good
of course,
taste. Memfa inchene enguso yet. See, I have my onions, I have my bell peppers, carrots, kakra. Okay. I think I'm good to go. But I was saying me try kwakushito kakra.
Kwakushito, na dia blend na already.
Ube huni nyina sisi live and colored.
Fried rice kakana be ya na.
Fried rice pe na meye.
Ghana nnuane no so. But as no said dodo no a obi aye ne de. Enti me hu say me pesa obi a de bibi kakra de e ka ne de ho. Enu nti no. Maybe sister said they catch and say what makes you special.
Okay, it's me sure say a lot of inkofo bebre air fried rice or mutuwa meko egumu.
Okay.
Me shada enhu
ebi a shito sinchen de no.
Aha, shito e sinchen. Ade na ma blend na me ba be sauce, me special sauce be amawa obetimi de fried rice no even later opeso de do kono anything at all. That's exactly because when him say time any ho. And at least I believe say we aduane so a kakra betimi aka the next day or two. Exactly, obetimi de bibi no it's quite important. So that's what's making this
special.
Exactly. And then me the seafood so most people will normally use chicken. Maybe or chia kokono and all that. I'm not into fried aduane bebre. No, I'm into just steaming or stir fried just a little bit.
Fried and because we show you so no. Me the oil papa
olive, you see,
olive oil.
Matthias.
The oil kakra bebe. Olive no cry there.
Of course. And it's the right oil you have for me because so baby beside me fear we don't use anything apart from olive oil. Even in Kuman me the olive oil ne.
Wow.
In Kumampo, made the olive oil and so thank you for this oil. It's going to make the food delicious.
Delicious.
And also me peppers and colorful. I'm not using only the green one. Yes.
Colors.
Yes. Also, nkofo bebre and shada and vegetables, but it's best and on best.
Yes.
So as much as possible. So all the vegetables mananya as colorful as possible.
And again, yana krobi ya fried rice chance ma ofa carrot mienu we kakra ya ne se ne namu keke. Debi the entire I'm very sure say you count say you should have a bit of everything. Carbohydrate kakra, ubenya protein kakra, vitamins wa kakra, fiber wa kakra, na esimu pepe. Intino and the cookie tea is special.
Very special. Very special. Very, very special.
Yes.
Na me patrol. Octopus no anything from water, anything from the sea doesn't take too long to cook.
Okay.
5 to 7 minutes it should be okay because you best there to rice no mubium. Yeah, my ho pepper in free mesa.
Wow, cookie tea.
Yes, man.
Cook when there's happening so
I we in 5-7 minutes na abe.
I know we be
me green peas no.
Nothing.
No, green peas ne pe. Me de be go nsuhye we mu ntim pese me yi bibi ametime eyi me octopus now because I want to use the same stock. There's no need to change the stock.
For the octopusin?
Yes. For the octopusin.
Yes. You remove. Let me give you the.
You have some. You have something.
The quantity. You have flat quantity.
Okay. To remove it. I before I say remove it.
Remove it.
Yes, to remove
remove the octopus.
Yes, to remove it.
Wow.
Yep. So kind of shit. Eshi, nana. Eshi. Now we know me out there. We know me out there. Carrots, you are winning now.
I know it. I know it. Want me shop? Do you understand it now?
And parasiting someone's food.
Bro, what?
Me try it. It was my mother. My mama make sure say, "Oh, say baby, are you free no? She can't share that any hosa."
Into bro, what are they mo?
Or the school and it's
okay.
My mama want fire school in the agro cra.
Inti, we MA site no. What was why? Who was second?
Me we site no.
Okay.
But me di be say 9-10 and I free hohoi and I the bar and crying because na me mama I started me per frying pan men so kesi no me per frying pan there ye me eggs no me separate me eggs no me fengu and
the special thing yours is all separate
me separate eggs and I me per bowl kakra me beat me eggs no like round bowl me round bowl
hey asembe na me share ni take beat the eggs make sure you beat them.
But sikan na use no wafa wade
my farmer de ba sa ofofro
na nya botre sin wie
quick come de me
nya botre e be basis
I'm not lying come de me
we entebe
nji uko school do here
me Kodri University enti cut a long story short me ba Accra and I me be call Harrow International School or Abeka from Harrow and I me call St Mary's Secondary School me be head prefect I was St Mary's Secondary School and then me and I me twice so University of Ghana
high grade
University of Ghana Legon enti me call Edru University but we na abing
me dum beat no dey atene be beat na the whisk
me dey atre
you want spoon
be or the mammy be a there be mammy waste mammy bougie. Let me be a little bougie on the show because be into mammy using patrol.
Use mammy why?
Okay, into me person me scrambled eggs. I know na me be fried rice no.
Okay.
Most people betray or more eggs no have no vegetables.
So me can't say be a special with
yeah. Me so this right here is skimmed milk.
Okay.
Into you be
a kind of fresh milk.
Okay. It's a just a substantial amount. They go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Substantial amount na say nsusuye mu no kakra bi e be ne ne befa
we'll just add a pinch of salt right here
ya den chine kakra som
pinch and no ya the som no olive oil the thing about olive oil let's say enya nwo a o process po a say and say
asman come back
yeah that's the thing about olive oil
what the chia dey betimi
siwa me media me scramble no quick
scramble egg,
egg. Thank you.
Scramble egg from cookie. Scramble egg, scramble egg, scramble egg. Let's say, ope say, a kick can boom and nanina as a individual, but
thank you.
Yeah.
Did you know you're so brilliant?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Me brofo I can't chance the baby
yes, as I be can as why I confused about what you money there. I see that.
I chance the baby. Intimate try exams be me pass to
Now, bear in mind says so we scrambled eggs now one fan milk can ho ade we into me
because so style be from this texture.
Yeah. And don't use too much milk. Milk no I was so kakra bi ebetimi ama eggs no abobo say yeah. It say ebetimi the oil le gu ha na ya start fried rice no. Great.
Wow.
We are great assistants.
Hey.
Assistants, thank you.
Me.
Thank
you.
Because kama. Yes, olive oil again.
The pouring.
Watch.
The pouring. You know, no.
Okay, patch great.
Yeah. It's scrambled time no. And the open.
Patch eja we Medum no. Medum no.
Okay.
So the scrambled eggs can rest here for now.
And the brah never starting.
Let me show you. Okay, so say me oil na shit. So the first thing I make sure gumu. Ebe me prawns no.
Okay.
But yam process aduane na ene bebre.
This seafood. Now can be say seafood there. And ko just on check.
And check 5-7 minutes. And na prawns so there say enya kan Japanese sate eye C shape ne pa. Also say abian no. Yeah. It doesn't take too long at all.
What dey there?
What do you need na?
There be me na say be me dey be nka we mama ko.
Okay, so at this moment, because me press a baby brain, you know, my carrots, most people will add onions at this point. No, for me, it's the carrots because carrots, it's a little tough. You know, me press it.
And the fried rice, no, the money is special no oil. Process na be, and also yeah was clear.
Yep.
Quadruple budgets. What do you mean bonfire no? Now the be yet. Fried rice. Mate. I
will excuse you. Yeah, Mate. And see, me meko. The me try no. Papa she told me try no. Ebe koso at this junction.
At this junction, not am Fantano to no.
Aye.
But the meko agum.
Yep. So meko at this point. So I will try. I'm not cooking everything too much because me say bibia air crunchy.
No madam for better time.
Say manwa ho dada. Manwa. And anti trick now trick me the far back one.
Madam for.
It's sister we bet me about.
Wow.
Now at this point I will need my seasoning.
Yeah, the seasoning I will pay. Seasoning I will pay no. At this point. I will say with the
at this point.
Aye. Enuane no said I see I come no. Main trust if I wake up, you know, said you will back. She process no any ingredients no. Na seasoning them pacho. One chin I dey kono. You may in back come
yeah, what else?
I can't wait back. Debbie,
wait no. Because all those son beji. I did be a come away up.
Could give my angel.
Because all those son
when they find you back on our video.
No, mommy be what to me. And then my man shall out. I will show it.
Man shall out.
Mama salo or no net me Adrian and mamma busy. I know to do to choir no nya adagiano. Mama salo net me Adrian and not open for full. Not yet ye bunch, you know. Ye opesa to your bunch in this one. I said, oh, her hair raga. Or say, hey, found that you had your own beer. As a me from sent to your dear, she way and face it for because me or beer.
Go to that, uncle me can send me to uniform.
Exactly.
I understand.
Me the powdered pepper kakra. So. Eddie begumo.
Wow.
Yep. This is very unusual. I mean, if some bebre will not even try powdered pepper with their fried rice. Yes, but
you want to touch the pan?
No, there's a napkin here, honey.
No, this thing.
Kitchen way you
too much.
Logistics you be on point. Okay.
That's it.
Now at this point, in percent me taste you here. Wait. So my salt, I can salt kitchen back. Me mind the salt because say mono so salt wo monti no.
Now at this point we me sonne so ma wana.
But one ke be me de pa.
You do kwanta so dia me sonne green peas no. At this junction. My sonne so. Thank you very much.
Green peas no so manwa anche kra.
And octopus means you na so near the.
Yeah.
Inti eba na say onsi ho.
Onsi ho. Mane chili.
Matia.
Now, mama say me mona ready.
I'm not ready. Sorry, I'm not ready. Mama here now. I'm not ready, darling. I ready. I will see for royal aroma fortified rice. To say who? And a tour.
Great.
And a tour.
Great.
And the entity will be an answer. Fire
straight. Ever cost straight.
You like the consistency, texture?
What's a brothel? Consistency, you know, Oh, excellent.
Hey, yes, celebrities in Ghana, I catch them say you have been consistent.
No, I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you. Yeah, I'm proud of you.
American number. I'm president of Mekong. Sure. But the American number, they are me cocoa. My wedding dancing is in Wow, I'm proud of you too, darling. I'm proud of you.
Simpacho, me de Mekong no. Gumu, yeah, real quick. Me try kakra. Now remember, say you for a mono bebre because you per se retain your health, your pomodin.
Yes.
Ain't you know, and then a mono dear, yeah, shadam for a mono bebre.
Bebre, nampacho sauce, no, saying, come better me mount. Honey, now sauce be a so bad one. Yes, started.
Okay. But when you bet me a boy made it and mono.
Oh, yeah.
Mama.
Oh, yeah. Ah.
I'm a fat way, it's way being so much.
And so on. I was saying for baby, I do the any car corner. A Diana, I fair. I come out. Intimate room.
Me patron. Sister, persuade stubborn.
There we may doom young crown may in a free. Yanko,
patron.
Wow. A do time up, I know I can. Number Jai. Wow. Fried rice. McBrown's kitchen. And cookie tea special.
Yep.
Yenny Jinahano. Wow.
Okay, I'm on a year. I'm on a year.
Any pammy and so.
Oh, a better song. There's something about seafood. They are very filling. It's udi kakra.
Okay, so vegetables no crab.
Vegetables no so. One thing I'm saying I'm on you be use kakra because when cause you so. O green peas waha.
Cookie tea.
Yep.
I love you. Me pewasa me dowa ankasa.
Me so me dowa se bebre.
Cookie TV you must start send them out.
Me shase no. Na enye presenting po na na me pese me na pese me acting because School of Performing Arts Legon. Enti na me pese me acting. But at the time no na productions na me hu TV so no na enko yesa mame. I thought say we could be doing better as an industry. It's a script I'm nyina from University of Ghana nyina no man share am fanye jwa meka me ne na de aboare and the call audition very first time.
Wow.
Na show be on TV so na my friend a small world.
Yes.
Exactly. Na I was a menene na yesa I think it was a series.
And yeah, that video no small world.
Something like that. I don't remember.
Small world.
But me sure I am sure there be manen ko. In 2015.
Okay.
Me call salon na me nua adwuma ya na me yeah. Na me to at the time, like I mentioned in the beginning. And see, me call salon na me who say Shirley Frimpong Manson.
Okay.
Ete hwa o ye niti. So I just walked up to her just like that. And I'm nante when I'm so hi Shirley, me pewa sempa say ni say nam patrol. Mo your auditions that bang. And no catch me so great question because Opeso changes some of the faces. Now, I always said those times, now I said some particular people,
okay.
or we use a TV. So she said she wanted to change faces, kakra. And you know, honestly, they had auditions in 3 weeks.
Wow.
And so I best send them a script, mission script, you know.
Okay.
I remember audition. Nana, they now go do audition. I said no. Girls are formal, serious actors. Or mama who am Juma kakra crowd TV. So I mean, says I didn't need chance. Chance. Oh, there be. Many times, oh baby, and so me call and to me call first round, you know, and ye PA and I shall ye auditions are. Me name ye straight.
Naturally, to Shelly. When you were down for now, we are in a worker. And yet, audition, Quampa, baby, didn't at them. Well, yes, serious person. Nana, every day, every out. To me, who said, Diana, why are no so what you every day, every arrest, but be a mission. Aye. So why you sound you know? About a month. It's a me text message be but it was 2 days. I remember back America biom. Okay. Just 2 days before I travel. And I text message and I said, congratulations, you've been given a role. Not series near Champagne. Oh, okay. The TV series. In 2 years. No, me. Listen, my very first role on TV in a series, I'm your president's wife. It was a major role. So you stopped with America? No experience. Okay, so this is what happened. Because I'm a tour tickets in area, no, they waited for me. To go by. That was one good thing that they did for me. So I'm trying me. It's a buy now grab.
I grabbed it.
And I was so now kill it.
And I nailed
First
it.
lady, no?
I nailed it.
And to cut a long story short,
Right.
now you work with
TV3.
morning show.
Morning show. TV3 New Day. I want to watch it
Every day. Monday to Friday.
Yes, Monday to
You
Friday.
wake up what time?
3 a.m.
It's okay. Continue the food. Thank you very much. Hey, shall we continue?
Wow.
Kosiane kom.
Yeah.
It is also known as that.
I am maybe.
Okay.
But we say, oh, my mirror, if you man fa Jane no. Se me de kakra.
Dayo na
Ebe galishe so.
Abuso afọ baby adu di abaya wa wie na aduane no anesa. Aka ne sauce. Ode be kwa ho. Ni anya kwa didi. McBrown's kitchen aduane pede. And Empress me didi yi. Enu ntimi ye twan ho aba. Badansa na me da high sense ase abra ode sauce no. Ekojemu no. Esi Jason. High sense everyday prices
for everyday people. Meaning power.
Papa. Seven so do me to do bibia.
Yep.
Me da wake purified drinking water say e kasa preku. Sanam da lunch kitchen as for me jade. Delay mackerel. Delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Royal aroma fortified rice. Embrace me didi do. Enye mfata me kra. Ba mo mfa no sa. Sana Borges olive oil. Borges ye do mo say Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana, ye do must say. Fan Milk Ghana, Madame was say. And a Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Ye do must say. I was a Nyan and Mamma in Tram home run, a bar, but to me and Quang Didi. Patch on me basses here. Brim! Opia per says AC, Tresse, they will gold plated things. Yet the copper pipes, Papa Binaye. Gasia, and for how Biam Rodas and Ibia, and a goom. And yet the day, Tanso of 4-in-1 filter system. 80 from a free mobano. Aye, Croji. AC, yet the horsepower netto. I sense Cassa a 2.5, a 2.5. Kululu pianim. Yet the Abapiamo, a high sense SC Super Promo. Date near 26 July. I come him 8 August 2021. Upe Asia F. Na Eche, na Chile, na Power. A high sense SC. Comfort to me. 26 July. I come him 8 August. Madam High Sense. Matiti Suze. 5 years warranty. And that's what you are. High Sense and Kwane to me yes amount. So when you say High Sense there, everyday prices for everyday people.
351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it.
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges Classic Olive Oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges Olive Oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait. Let's go again. Spaghetti, delay. No, cut. That's not it. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Yes, spaghetti is.
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Made us sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be deadline.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA ahwehwɛ saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye ato mu sɛ ɛyɛ.
McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen ebusiafo ediane pa ede edition time nie ye ba be didi said ye munim no eba sa na o se me da me sponsors ase esan se omu bua me e ma me sanya kyade e de ma me guest because ono so there ono so abesra me wabetre me bibi foforo kra cookie bra na high sense me da high sense for ase high sense for se me ma rice cooker.
Wow, me don't want
never know a woman. Sa ena awake for some monsieur any drinks. Ane I sent for na am tabo mdinkane. Na awake ya ba won say didi so. Na me rain free will be. Into high sense rice cooker. Awake royal drinks, Puma drinks. Now here, what this shit? Into me ma royal aroma fortified rice.
Thank you.
Ane na mama tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Ya don't want say. Delay mackerel, delay sardine, and a delay spaghetti.
Thank you.
Borges olive oil and an apple cider.
That's my favorite.
We are health as man can make.
That's my favorite. But that's pa.
Yeah, cookie tea. Cookie.
Yes.
Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. Say me ma wa de share chance.
Na me fa ko ye aduane.
Ne fa ko ye aduane papa mi.
Me don't want.
Ene me nyina ye odia.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Awafo ye da mo ase mun kan ho enye ye. Sabre ye ba be didi na mejira ye de me ka te Ghana for say @sam_apparel aku ena ye ma me we African mold. What ya say me na me da ho no. Te so wo ba me na me da me ho no. Na aku Instagram page @sam ADJASAM_apparel. Aligina makeover menim me da wase. And Alige namne na yakasu ya bom. Lige looks and I am tiamam. And me team me da wase. Cookie ye be didi. Me pato ma me nyom na ye fan je ye fan tata no me kan ho. Jimaima. After you make it, remember what you keep around you. Never gonna fake it. No time come, them not thinking with you. Don't come my way. Save me from the beginning. Oh, what a shame. Why do you want me to feel at the end of the day? Remember, once I am with you, I didn't say some say you. Hey, where am I? Thank you, Nigga. Jumama. Bougie. Mini papa ni o. Ebe bia dia na so wan be bon pai.
Me bon pai.
O be bon pai. And e bon mama. Ye ka te ani.
Papa isu. Ye da se ene dey wa ma ye de ye nsa ebe di akoya no ye bon pai se obi hira so. Na ebe wura ye widie mu yi ebe kwa kosiesie na ma bebre e wo Yesu di mu. Amen.
Amen. Make I will be also me set up your fair. Plate am the serving be everything home luxury. Thing home luxury. Me don't want anti mod. I mean sure say Empress one mama say wow I wish you for. Nya and there. Ubenya ye bi ofio nti sa dia we de wani kan na de be hunu. Nanso
wona nduke na.
Mama. What are you? Ufili ya no. Akotsan.
I'm quite rough.
I'm a granted.
So would you kind of bougie kind of?
Who's that? For your guy. I quite my grand's kitchen. Jemima, I am a back to our head, Jimo Nicola. Now, and now about my grand's kitchen, Mamma, no introduction in you. Mammy, Jagana for Juma way.
But me teacher ni me try there Presec staff primary.
Presec
staff primary.
Okay.
Presec primary school. And na the science at the Pamo Nicoline GH. Nyame adom this year by November there, not me graduate.
From Nicolai?
From Nicolai.
What year what?
That's right.
Wow. Why are the Instagram your frozen?
Queen Adepa _ama.
Queen Adepa
_ama.
_ama. That's also name sister.
Feeling rough. Comment on the pictures as a sad.
Oh.
It's fans in the doors.
Oh, may I sorry. What's that? Your brother name?
Queen Adepa _ama.
I'll look out for you. Say I comments no door, so you need to reply. So I hope so you have forgiven me.
Come there, celebrate to get to me breakfast.
Oh, that.
Some people do know.
Oh, that. Oh, it's when your fans be brave.
Oh, I celebrate to get to a guy, my friend Grova.
Oh, Nana, me.
No matter the other way.
And come there, Baba, to castle your family into a jamaja.
Some I said, I made my hot. Take us on a drew so. Baby, what? Our TV ejuma na we energy. We be before.
Oh no, see there it's mainly TV ejuma no. But okay say meka enwi story be a trail still I me da ho eton you know. And we on Instagram Strand Perfect GH. Strand Perfect, yes. I enwi strands no perfect strands, yeah.
And also I me.
And me bro be dodo. O kan ko me special nko fa say me mom nwi this year. O kan ho me de beba. Remember, it's Strand Perfect. So for now, it's the TV and then, you know, but anyway, more watch out for my restaurants now, my baby, you know, and I hope some media more be patronizing my but maybe
once I'm a prophetess.
Okay.
Maybe a restaurant.
Now when you know it sounds maybe a restaurant.
Hey, Ghana for any maybe.
I'll say maybe. I need to share these with people out there. People
young
have to
women
know.
are catering your woman fire, the back up and the food bank.
Oh, okay.
You know, so we can there.
Be bougie. Yeah.
Bougie.
Yeah.
Ghana for cookie, your last word.
First of all, meda was so mama this great opportunity I'm about McBrown's kitchen. It's been a long time coming. I can't watch them every day, baby. So when you called me up yesterday, I was finally, Nana, oh yeah, dear, you do well. And every day, be maybe commenting or Instagram pictures. I say you make it look easy. It is not easy, but you make it look easy, and you inspire the younger ones like us coming up. So enjoy. It's my cooking. Enjoy it. Won't go anymore. So thank you very much.
Let me be that for fans.
You're such an inspiration. Because the last time I was standing somewhere and I salam down with you, 5 minutes ago, Gina Hokrano, and someone now for mutremu. I was like, wow, your works speak for itself. I'm not patronizing you today. That's not what I'm doing. But I think I should just let you know because some of these things keep you going. I should let you know, you're an amazing human being. You make it look easy. I know it's not easy. And sometimes you can even tell from some of your captions, actually, there are things going on, but you make it look easy. So thank you for inspiring the rest of us. Now, for those of you watching out there, especially the young ones, I never dreamt. Manda and Jane say I would even become who I've become today. It's just been by pure grace. Pure grace. And grace with hard work. It's been a whole lot of hard work. It's not easy. And sometimes we don't have the opportunity to come out to say exactly what our 24 hours entails, but it entails a lot. A lot goes on that you don't even see. So if you want to be big, if you want to be a McBrown, McBrown, cookie tia, for young coupon serious, never hard work serious. Along the way, but my money keep you down. Just keep moving and moving, and one day you'll get there. So Diana wouldn't say, "I'm a cacra, won't you?" Oh, some make a tree at the end of the day.
But
I say, Nana.
But for the car, now young come of food, so I can't be from their child because Ed. What's a merriment?
One can say we're a natural born rapper. Aye, minim.
The microphone, you're right.
What I hear there?
Nana.
Where will be?
Me and my son will be And I'm this year, yeah. Me dey boy. Mamma, mama, timi nyamoshe. Cookie tea.
Yes, pa.
Let me show you a festa. And the woman I have a dodo. Let me show what.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey. And you say me yes do. I say that's my one.
I know you're welcome.
No. I'm sure dodo.
Right.
There. My ramen papa, my main dodo. Cookie.
Yes.
Daffy or human feminine mixture. A medro kind. What's a brofo? That's a problem on menstrual. A you would you try be na? Who share me a veggie box?
Mate.
Why my boozy? Dia.
That's it.
Dia. Boozy.
Thank you.
Dia. Mama never say.
Yes, I'm too late.
Dia.
And then I dress me and top back.
Boozy teacher for the calculation about. But my genius, I was it.
That's it.
Yami share teacher for. Okay home. I will say for McBrown's kitchen, Hannah, the museum, in Casapi, high sense, tasty tongue, awake purified drinking water, launcher kitchen, royal aroma fortified rice, delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti, under one umbrella. Sir, and a royal kitchenware official Ghana, and a gorgeous olive oil. Na adeba kwa denie. What did you we and yes, so a wogu and no. One send me be me fridge, yeah. Made me farmer kasha, yeah, cookie. Ubombo, baby. Missing the Ramisa. Me microphone, I intro. Naka woka buy a woka quadiana, we what didn't you know? What the year go?
Mike,
and I also cry you a Juma now, a teacher, Juma. I was for a minute, me Mac, one from Mac Blue. I am whom me didn't want to do for me whom for Toronto, or my brown. And I am McBrown. Voila. Cookie. Obian TV. Yeah, dear. Fan more Ghana. Open strawberry or vanilla?
Both. So I say a honey hobby.
Cookie tea.
Yes, ma'am.
Cookie tea.
Yes,
study baby out. Wouldn't be you.
What do why?
Okay.
It's all right. It's all right.
That can be your dear madam. Yes, sir. Oh, my baby, your ampa. Some fans of Casamura into a triangle. Move sure film said, Obiaba. I was your fan mail. Yeah, they were pioneering. You better make sure we are crew nobody diakan. Jimmy, take a spoon.
Thank you.
Sorry, your tissue.
Hey.
Alan. Buffalo. Aba fast. Aba fast.
Your tissue.
Yeah, me dear sister and Buffalo Buffer.
Right.
In the end, yeah, that must say, said the ne, Masha Amaye, McBrown's Kitchen. You were YouTube. McBrown's Kitchen. Over to me, I show. Sign up on my personal page. McBrown TV, or YouTube. More subscriber, mommy. I'm Rentino. And yet, the be an video, but the coming movement, boom, I'm the tour, Mamute. It is not easy.
But you make it look easy.
Thank you so much. I hear you. Wish I know Chester. Hey, DJ. Uniwa. Any empire.
DJ never da.
Bye-bye. Good. One Nicola, where you ready?
Oh, boss. Nyame had my Monday, my Benjamin. Timba, my catch you. Send your journey in TV. I read the winning.
Hey!
Oh,
my God.
After you make it, McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's Kitchen.